Are you still crying? Sweetheart, stop crying. Stop crying. I know how you feel, okay? You went in for it. You see, it hurts. It really hurts so much that we lost one of our children. But this issue is very simple and could be trashed out. So please, don't complicate it. Please don't complicate it, okay? Close here. Close, okay?
You don't know how it feels. You don't know how it feels to lose a child. You don't know what I'm talking about.
I know what you're talking about. I definitely know what you're talking about. I just hope it won't be my turn the next time. Cheer up, okay? Cheer up, alright? Everything's gonna be okay, okay?
Oh, somebody help me. Somebody help me.
Please stop crying. Please stop crying. Okay? This is your new home. And everybody loves you. I do love you. My husband loves you. My kids loves you. Everything will be fine here. Mother, please stop crying. Look. Stop crying. Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed, Mommy. Please. Stop crying. Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed, Mother. No. Please stop crying. Okay. Let's go to bed. Stop crying. Stop crying, Mother. Let's go to bed.
What has come over you? Huh? Are you getting out of your mind? Are you nuts? Why do you have to throw your mother away? Why do you throw your mother out of this house?
Hold it right there. Did you ask her what she did before I threw her out of this house?
Albert, I don't need to. Because no matter what your mother would have done to you, at the end of the day, she's your mother.
Very careful the way you talk to me, right?
Who are you? You're my brother and therefore I am not scared of you. Yes! In other words, why? Is this your house? I asked you.
Oh yeah, can't you see?
Oh yes.
Listen, I'm the man of this house who have total control everything in this house.
Then my brother, point of correction. The moment Daddy died, this house became Mommy's own.
I know that's what you're going to say. Let me tell you, this is my house. I'm taking total control of everything in here. My kids are going to take total control of this house. Everything here.
I am ashamed of you.
Don't be.
Look, I'm ashamed of you.
Don't be.
As a man, you have the responsibility to take care of your family.
And I'm doing exactly that.
You do not need to depend on a family property.
This is not a family property.
Find your own house.
Listen to me. This is
I'm
my
leaving.
place.
Find your own house.
And be careful, little sister. Be careful. Let me warn you. Don't come running to me. Don't come crawling, crying.
I am not.
When things get bad.
Shame
Mark
on
it.
you. I'm ashamed of you having you as a
Mark
brother.
it.
Excuse
And
me.
I know by that time you will see.
I will not regret having
I know,
my mother
baby.
in my house.
Trust me, I said mark it somewhere. That you will come crawling, running, crying like a little baby. And you will see what I will tell you. Your mother. I don't want a witch as my mother. This all belongs to blast out of you. This time in the afternoon. Oh shit. What page? 47. Shit. Honey? How's your mother doing?
She'll stop crying.
Sweetheart. So what if there is an element of truth in what Albert and his wife were saying? You know, we've had a happy family. And as a matter of fact, I don't want anything to go wrong.
What are you saying?
You heard me right.
Have you forgotten we are what we are because of that woman? Have you forgotten that woman set you up? Huh? And that you are what you are because of her? Have you? Yes. And again, have you forgotten my father despised you? Please, don't make me angry, Ken. Don't. She's not moving till I raised enough money to buy an apartment. Period. Don't get me angry, I beg you. Yes. Oh, please. Are you sure? Come on. Mother, if anything happens to her, I will take her to the doctor. Jesus Christ. Mother.
Sweetheart. Sweetheart, stop crying. Stop crying. I know how you feel, okay? You went in for it. You see, it hurts. It really hurts.
So much.
That we lost one of our children. But this issue is very simple and could be trashed out. So please, please, please don't complicate it. Please don't complicate it, okay? Close here. Close, okay?
You don't know how it feels. You don't know how it feels to lose a child. You don't know what I'm talking about.
I know what you're talking about. I definitely know what you're talking about. I just hope it won't be my turn the next time. Cheer up, okay? Cheer up, alright? Everything's gonna be okay, okay?
Trudy, what a day to come visiting. At least you've been able to secure a husband. You have a child and a family.
I think so.
Baby, cheer up. Life is full of twists and turns. Someday joyful, sometime not joyful. But still, life must continue. You have to move on with your life. Ever since we graduated, I have not been able to secure a man. Thought of husband, no family. Trudy. So I was scared. I regret ever treating him bad. Trudy, take heart. Everything will be okay. Trudy. Everything will be fine.
Frida!
Leave Awo.
Hey!
So what are you doing here?
You know, I just passed by to pick some.
Oh my God, Oh, it's been years. Oh, so how's everything? How is everything?
Everything is okay. What about you?
I'm okay. It's business, work. I'm okay. Yeah. Okay.
It's been years, you know?
Yes. I learned to get married.
Yeah, I got married with 2 kids. And,
that's nice.
One is dead.
Sorry, okay. And are you alright?
Yes, I am.
No, you don't. How's the pain?
Okay.
No,
I'm okay.
I know you're okay. I know you very well. You are my king. That's not what I snatched you away. Please, tell me the truth.
I'm alright, yeah.
I see pain in your eyes. I know you.
Frida!
Maybe you want us to go somewhere else and talk.
Somewhere else?
Yeah?
Like what?
My place?
Your place? Okay.
Alright, let's go. No stress at all, so no fear. I'm gonna miss you. It's really sweet. It's nice seeing you. Yes.
Food in the house. Nobody told me anything.
Empty house. What is the meaning of this? What am I going to eat? Nothing everywhere for me. What is all this? Not in the house. No food anywhere. Not even water. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? Empty house. Nothing. Forgive me if I've done something wrong. I don't know what I've done.
Decisions we make,
Wherever your husband is safe. Why at this moment sitting down here? Please.
Ah! Will you leave me alone, mother?
Trudy, your attitude towards me these days have changed. You don't regard me as your mother again. Why?
Look, mother, if you don't feel like sleeping, walk out. Yes! Don't get me angry. What have I done? Why did I wrong you? Why?
Hey!
Huh?
Hey!